Hello everyone, my name is Mahesha. Today we are going to discussing about potential hazards of waste disposal and landfills. Waste disposal and landfills cause significant environmental and public health hazards if not properly managed. From groundwater contamination to air pollution, the improper handling of waste can have far-reaching consequences that treated ecosystems and human well-being. Understanding these potential dangers is crucial in developing sustainable waste management strategies and minimizing the negative impacts of waste disposal. Next, environmental impact of improper waste management. First one, ecosystem disruption. Improper waste disposal can lead to the contamination of soil, water, and air, disrupting the delicate balance of natural ecosystem. This can harm wildlife, reduce biodiversity, and compromise the overall health of the environment. Second one, greenhouse gas emission. Landfills are a major source of methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Inadequate waste management practice can result in release of these harmful emissions, exacerbate the global environmental crisis. Next, resource depletion. Inefficient waste disposal can lead to the loss of valuable resources that could be recovered, recycled, or reused. These contributes to resource depletion and reduces the overall sustainability of waste management system. Next, groundwater contamination from landfill leachate. Leachate formation. How leachate formation is happen? We will discuss. Landfill leachate is a highly polluted liquid that forms when water such as rainfall or groundwater filters through waste in a landfill. These leachate can contain a variety of hazardous substances, including heavy metals, organic compounds, and pathogens. Next, groundwater infiltration. If not properly contained and treated, leachate can seep into the surrounding soil and groundwater, contaminating these vital water resources. This can pose a significant threat to the health of nearby communities that rely on these water resources. Next, long-term impacts. Groundwater contamination from landfill leachate can have long-lasting effects on the environment and public health. The remediation of contam- contaminated groundwater can be complex and expensive process, and the impacts may persist for decades or even centuries. Next, air pollution from landfill gas emissions, methane and carbon dioxide. Landfills produce significant amounts of methane and carbon dioxide, two potent greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. These gases are generated through the anaerobic decomposition of organic waste in the landfill. Volatile organic compounds. Landfills can also release a variety of volatile organic compounds such as benzene, toluene, and xylene. These chemicals can be harmful to human health and the environment, contributing to air pollution and smog formation. Next, odor nuisance. The decomposition of waste in landfills can also produce foul odors that can be significant nuisance to nearby residents and communities. These can negatively impact quality of life and proper values in affected areas. We have soil degradation and loss of arable land, soil contamination. Improve waste disposal such as illegal dumping or leakage from landfills can lead to the contamination of soil with heavy metals, pesticides, and other hazardous substances. These can make the soil unsuitable for agricultural use, reducing the availability of arable land. Next, landfill expansion. As the volume of waste continues to grow, the need for more landfill space increases, leading to the conversion of productive farmland and natural habitats into waste disposal sites. This reduces the overall land available for food production and ecosystem preservation. Next, long-term consequences. The loss of arable land and solid degradation can have far-reaching consequences, including food insecurity, economic disruption, and the disruption of local ecosystems. Addressing these issues requires comprehensive land management strategies and sustainable waste disposal practices. Next, health risks associated with waste explore, toxic explore. Improper waste disposal can lead to the release of hazardous chemicals such as heavy metals and pres- persistent persistent organic pollutants which can be harmful to human health through direct contact, inhalation, or ingestion. Infectious disease. Waste, especially medical and household waste, can harbor a variety of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can cause serious infectious diseases. Exposure to these pathogens can occur through direct contact or contaminated water and food sources. Cancer risk. Certain chemicals found in waste, such as carcinogens and endocrine disrupting compounds, have been linked to an increased risk of cancer in individuals exposed to them through waste disposal sites or contaminated environments. Thank you for watching.